Most people compare JobTread and Procore without understanding the real difference between them. And that leads to expensive mistakes. Because these two tools are not just different versions of the same thing. They are built for completely different types of construction businesses. In this video, you'll get a clear, no confusion breakdown of JobTread versus Procore in 2026. You'll learn who each platform is built for, how they actually perform in real construction workflows, and which one makes sense depending on the size of your business. Let's start immediately. JobTread is designed for small to mid-sized contractors who want structure without complexity. Think of someone like Alex, who runs a remodeling company with a small team. He needs estimates, job tracking, budgeting, and client communication all in one place. But he does not want a system that takes months to learn. JobTread focuses on simplicity. You can build estimates, track job costs, and manage projects in a clean, straightforward interface. The goal is to reduce chaos, not add more layers. Now here's where it gets interesting. Procore is on a completely different level. It is built for large-scale construction companies managing multiple projects, large teams, and complex compliance requirements. Imagine Jake, who oversees commercial builds across several cities with subcontractors, engineers, and strict documentation needs. That is Procore's world. Procore offers deep project controls, advanced document management, RFIS, submittals, financial tracking, and enterprise-level reporting. But here's the problem. That power comes with complexity. It takes time, training, and serious onboarding to fully use it. Now let's compare them directly. JobTread is faster to set up and easier for teams to adopt. Most contractors can get running quickly without needing dedicated software managers. It keeps things simple so you can focus on jobs, not software. Procore, on the other hand, is built for precision and scale. It can handle massive projects with strict workflows and detailed oversight. But smaller teams often feel overwhelmed because there are so many features they don't actually need. Here's the key turning point most people miss. If your business is still growing, adding more complexity too early can slow you down. You end up spending more time managing the system than managing your projects. That's where JobTread fits better. But if your company is already operating at a high volume with multiple departments, Procore becomes almost necessary because simpler tools cannot handle that level of coordination. So here's the simple breakdown. JobTread is best for contractors who want clarity, speed, and simplicity while growing their business. Procore is best for large construction firms that need enterprise-level control and detailed project governance. Neither is universally better. They solve different problems at different stages of growth. If you're deciding right now, ask yourself one question. Do you need a system that keeps your business organized, or a system that controls large-scale construction operations? That answer will tell you everything. If this comparison helped you, like the video, drop a comment with your company size, and subscribe for more clear, practical construction software breakdowns that actually help you choose correctly.